5 steps to get gum out of your dryer. Got gum in your dryer? Don't worry, we'll help you deal with this sticky situation. Here's what you need: an ice cube, peanut butter, a nylon scraper, paper towels, rags, laundry detergent, sponge, white vinegar. Step 1. Press an ice cube onto the gum. Once frozen, use a nylon scraper to remove as much gum as possible. Step 2. Apply peanut butter for about 15 minutes. No, we're not joking. The oil in the peanut butter helps break down the gum, making it easier to remove. Step 3. Use a damp cloth or paper towel to wipe away the gum and peanut butter. Step 4. Mix a tablespoon of powdered laundry detergent with water to create a paste. Apply it to the affected area and scrub it with a sponge. Rinse thoroughly. Step 5. Wipe down the inside of the dryer drum with white vinegar to remove any lingering odors. Can't get the gum out? Hire a pro to help you.